Rocks are solid, naturally occurring substances that make up the Earth's crust. They are composed of minerals, which are naturally occurring, inorganic substances with a specific chemical composition and atomic structure. Rocks are fundamental to our planet's geology and play a crucial role in shaping the Earth's surface and supporting ecosystems. Here are some key points about rocks. 1. Types of rocks. Igneous rocks, formed from the solidification of molten magma or lava. They can be further categorized into intrusive, formed beneath the Earth's surface, and extrusive, formed on the Earth's surface, types. Sedimentary rocks comprise layers of sediment that have been compacted and cemented over time. They often contain fossils and provide valuable clues about Earth's history. Metamorphic rocks result from the transformation of existing rocks, igneous, sedimentary, or other metamorphic rocks, due to heat and pressure deep within the Earth's crust. 2. Rock cycle. Rocks undergo continuous processes of formation, weathering, erosion, and metamorphism, cycling between the three main rock types. This cycle is called the rock cycle and is essential in maintaining the Earth's dynamic geology. 3. Minerals. Rocks are composed of minerals, which are naturally occurring, crystalline substances. There are thousands of known minerals, each with its unique properties and composition. 4. Formation. Rocks form through various geological processes, including cooling and solidification of molten material, igneous, deposition and compaction of sediments, sedimentary, and recrystallization of existing rocks, metamorphic. 5. Importance. Rocks are essential for construction materials, providing the foundation for buildings, roads, and infrastructure. They serve as reservoirs for valuable resources like minerals, metals, and fossil fuels. Rocks are crucial in understanding Earth's history and the processes that have shaped our planet over billions of years. 6. Geological time. Rocks and the study of their composition, layering, and fossils play a vital role in determining the Earth's geological history, including the age of various geological formations and the evolution of life on Earth. 7. Environmental impact. Understanding the types and distribution of rocks is important for managing environmental issues such as landslides, groundwater availability, and soil quality. 8. Natural landscapes. Rocks contribute to the formation of stunning natural landscapes, including mountains, canyons, and coastlines, which are of great cultural and aesthetic value. In summary, rocks are fundamental components of the Earth's crust, with various types and formations that have shaped our planet's geology, history, and landscapes. Their study is essential for understanding Earth's processes and resources, as well as for applications in construction, environmental management, and scientific research. If you have specific questions or would like more detailed information on any aspect of rocks, feel free to ask. Join our community. Hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and invite viewers to explore more content. Now enjoy some clips.